Hello, Classic Car Corner fans. Today, we're uncovering 20 classic cars you can grab from the marketplace at amazingly low prices. Don't miss out on these great finds.
Number 1.
The 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, priced at $7,500, is a great find for anyone seeking a vintage American sports car. Equipped with a V8 engine, this classic Corvette offers a solid and reliable performance. Despite its age, the car runs well and is ready for its next owner to enjoy on the road. The exterior is in good condition for its age, with the classic Corvette curves still intact, showcasing its timeless design. The interior has been maintained, offering a comfortable driving experience that blends both style and history. With a VIN of 1Z878AS409136 and a clean title in hand, this Corvette is located in Jacksonville, Alabama. It's a great opportunity for a buyer looking for a piece of automotive history. The seller is offering it on a first-come, first-served basis with no holds or trades, so don't miss out.
Number 2.
The 1940 Oldsmobile Custom Cruiser, priced at $8,000, is a unique classic sedan with timeless appeal. Under the hood, it features a 350 Chevy engine paired with a 400 turbo transmission, providing a strong and reliable performance. This vintage car comes equipped with modern conveniences like power steering and disc brakes, making it a smoother ride despite its age. A standout feature of this Oldsmobile is the iconic suicide doors, adding a bold, retro flair to its design. It's also notable for being the last model year to feature running boards, giving it extra historical value. With a well-traveled odometer showing 999,999 miles, this car has plenty of history behind it. The owner is open to trades, particularly for a Ford Falcon, making this a flexible option for car enthusiasts looking for a unique piece of automotive history.
Number 3.
The 1965 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe 2D, available for $4,000 or best offer, is a classic American icon that runs and drives. This sleek model is known for its powerful V8 engine and distinctive mid-century design, making it a standout in the world of vintage cars. While the car is in working condition, it does need some brake repairs in the near future. Its exterior still carries the bold and elegant lines that made the Thunderbird famous, and with a bit of attention, it could become an excellent restoration project or a unique daily driver. For buyers seeking a classic car at an affordable price, this Thunderbird presents a great opportunity. It's ready for a new owner to bring it back to its full potential.
Number 4.
The 1937 Buick Opera, listed at $10,000, is a stunning piece of pre-war American craftsmanship. This classic car has been stored in a garage for several years, and while it ran when it was parked, it has not been started since. The odometer shows mileage, but it may not be accurate given the car's age and history. The Buick Opera retains its timeless elegance, with its graceful curves and vintage design elements that make it a highly sought-after model among collectors. Its potential for restoration adds to its appeal, offering a fantastic project for someone looking to bring a classic back to life. No trades are accepted, so this is a straightforward sale for those serious about owning a rare and beautiful piece of automotive history.
Number 5.
The 1982 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D, priced firmly at $8,000, is an original box Chevy that offers both vintage charm and functionality. It still retains the original driver's manual from the factory, a testament to its authenticity and well-preserved condition. Everything on the car works, and it's drivable, making it ready to hit the road. While the exterior may need a fresh coat of paint at some point, this Caprice is a solid vehicle for those who appreciate classic American sedans. Serious inquiries only are requested by the seller, ensuring that this well-maintained classic goes to a buyer who recognizes its value.
Number 6.
The 1987 Ford Crown Victoria LX Sedan 4D, listed at $6,000, offers a powerful and reliable driving experience with a rebuilt 5.0 engine. This classic sedan comes equipped with a cam and Flowmaster exhaust, giving it both performance and a distinctive sound. Recent upgrades include a new power steering pump, gearbox, and a fresh battery, ensuring it's in excellent working condition. Both the AC and heat function perfectly, making it a comfortable ride in any season. With no mileage on the rebuilt motor, this car is ready for the road with a fresh title in hand. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a classic, old-school car that's highway-ready and packed with power.
Number 7.
The 1989 Pontiac Trans Am GTA, listed for $21,000, is a meticulously maintained example of a true American muscle car. Under the hood, it features a newer small block with a bow-tie block and a Richmond T5 transmission with G-force internals, with only 5,000 miles on the engine and transmission. The body has 121,000 miles, and while the paint is 27 years old, it still shines beautifully. The interior is in excellent condition, and the sale includes a spare set of front seat covers, brand new in the box. The current seats are in great shape, making the spare set a future asset. This Trans Am is a healthy, well-sorted runner that never overheats. It's a factory non-AC car, but the heat works perfectly, and it comes with iconic T-tops. Located in Dandridge, Tennessee, this Trans Am is offered for cash or possibly a trade for another classic. It's a standout car for any collector or enthusiast looking for a powerful, well-preserved classic.
Number 8.
The 1990 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, priced at $13,000, is a standout with its 5.7 L350 engine and no mechanical issues, making it ready to drive immediately. This car has been upgraded with all new AC components, ensuring it blows ice-cold air for comfortable driving in any season. It sits on striking 26-inch Amani forged wheels with a matching steering wheel, giving it a unique and bold appearance. The car also boasts a $3,000 audio system, complete with receipts for verification, enhancing the overall driving experience. The owner is open to trades for a newer V8 muscle car, making this Caprice an appealing option for those looking to swap for something modern while still appreciating classic style and performance.
Number 9.
The 1970 Chevrolet Nova, listed at $9,500 or best offer, is a solid classic car that runs and drives great. Powered by a 305 engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission, this Nova offers reliable performance, and the current owner even uses it as a daily driver. Recent updates include a new headliner and speakers, adding comfort and entertainment value to this vintage ride. While not in perfect condition, it's a dependable car that's ready for the road. The seller is open to trades if cash is added, making it a flexible option for someone looking for a classic car with plenty of character and potential.
Number 10.
The 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D, priced at $10,000, is an impressive T-top sports car packed with performance upgrades. It features a 78 354-bolt main engine, aluminum heads, Comp Extreme Energy Cam, long tube headers, an air gap aluminum intake, and a Brawler 750 carburetor. Paired with a TH350 transmission with a shift kit and a 10-inch stall converter, 2800 to 3200 RPM, this Stingray is built for serious power and speed. Additional new components include a suspension overhaul, rotors, brake and fuel lines, carpet, seatbelts, window motors, and various interior parts. It also comes with a car cover and an Optima red top battery. The Corvette has been meticulously cared for, with new light switch relays, actuators, and vacuum lines installed, ensuring it's in excellent running condition. The seller is seeking serious buyers only, with no joy rides allowed. This Stingray, located in Barberville, is ideal for those looking for a classic car with extensive upgrades and attention to detail.
Number 11.
The 1956 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D, listed at $15,000, is a solid and rust-free classic car with significant upgrades. It features front disc brakes and a completely rebuilt front suspension, enhancing both safety and ride quality. Additionally, the car has a rebuilt 350 transmission, ensuring reliable performance. This well-maintained sedan is a great example of mid-20th century American automotive design, combining classic style with modern improvements for a smoother driving experience. The car is being sold by the owner's representative, so it's a straightforward purchase opportunity for any classic car enthusiast.
Number 12.
The 1975 Cadillac Eldorado, priced at $10,995, is a classic car that embodies old-school charm and timeless elegance. With its striking brown exterior, this Eldorado is a standout piece that captures the essence of 1970s luxury and style. Inside, the spacious cabin offers plush seats and a nostalgic atmosphere, perfect for cruising in comfort. The car comes with a Carfax report, providing peace of mind about its history and condition. This vintage Cadillac combines classic appeal with reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for both daily drives and special outings. Whether you're looking to make a statement on city streets or enjoy a road trip, the Eldorado promises to deliver a memorable driving experience. Own a piece of automotive history with this iconic 1975 Cadillac Eldorado, a classic that continues to impress with its retro vibes and enduring style.
Number 13.
The 1959 Ford Edsel, priced at $9,000, is a well-preserved classic sedan with a V8 engine and only 38,963 miles. This car is noted for its good running condition and lack of rust, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts. While it does require some brake work, the interior is clean and the overall condition is described as excellent. The owner is open to trades plus cash but is not interested in high-mileage Harleys unless additional cash is involved. They are looking for something that matches or exceeds the value of $9,000 or a vehicle that they find particularly desirable. This Edsel represents a unique piece of automotive history and offers a chance to own a classic car that's almost ready for the road with just a bit of attention needed.
Number 14.
The 1968 Ford Mustang, listed at $10,500 firm, is a running project car with a 302 engine and automatic transmission. It features a new 4-barrel carburetor, radiator, and has had significant restoration work including new floor pans, a passenger torque box, rear frame extensions, and trunk floors with drop-offs. The Mustang is equipped with power steering and manual drum brakes. While the lights, heater, and horn are functional, the paint is very old and in poor condition, requiring some bodywork. The interior is in good shape, but the tires are flat and not suitable for driving home. Located in Bloomville, Ohio, this Mustang has a clear title and is open to trades for other classic cars, hot rods or rat rods, but not boats or bikes. This is a solid project for someone looking to restore a classic Mustang with a lot of the hard work already completed.
Number 15.
The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, priced at $6,750, has 101,000 miles on the body with a rebuilt 305 SBC engine that has been bored 30 over and equipped with a cam. The engine was rebuilt at 90,000 miles and now has 11,000 miles on it. The car features a TH350 transmission, new headers with true dual exhaust, and recent updates including a new alternator, battery, belts, wires, plugs, distributor cap and rotor, and air filter. It runs well with fresh royal purple oil and filter. The Camaro also has a new Bluetooth radio and solid floors, though it needs some body work and paint, with a gallon of metal flake blue paint included. The interior is functional but requires a new blower motor. The car has heat but no AC. It comes with newer tires, 70 series in front, 60 series in back, and spare parts. Located in Abrams, Wisconsin, the seller is looking to trade for a vehicle that runs and shifts well, with no major issues or rust.
Number 16.
The 1941 Ford GT sedan, priced at $12,000, features a flathead V8 engine and is described as a clean, running, and driving car. It's in good condition and well worth seeing in person. The sale is motivated by the seller's need to purchase lifts for a new garage. This classic Ford offers a vintage driving experience with its original V8 engine and well-preserved condition, making it an appealing option for classic car enthusiasts.
Number 17.
The 1978 Oldsmobile Cutless Supreme, listed at $4,800, features a rebuilt motor and transmission and runs well. It requires some work but is considered very salvageable, making it a good candidate for either a race car or a cruiser. The car is equipped with a 260 V8 engine, a 350 turbo transmission, and a 300 rear gear. The owner is primarily looking to trade for a 1970s or older Mopar or Chevy. This Cutlass offers a solid foundation for a project or an upgrade for someone interested in classic American muscle.
Number 18.
The 1973 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, priced at $8,500, is a performance-focused classic with extensive upgrades. It features a 4.8 LS engine paired with a TH400 transmission, complete with a manual valve body, 2,800 stall converter, and B&M shifter. The engine has been thoroughly rebuilt with a stripped block, hot-tanked components, and replaced bearings, rings, and gaskets. Upgrades include a Rollmaster LS2 timing set, ARP rod bolts, Speedmaster head stud kit, and a Texas Speed Dumpster Fire Turbo Cam kit with lifters, dual springs, titanium retainers, and pushrods. It also has Michigan Motorsports upgraded trunnion rocker arms and a Holley Terminator X standalone harness. Additional enhancements include a GM hot rod oil pan, new Melling oil pump, true dual exhaust with Corvette manifolds, aluminum drive shaft, new fuel tank and fuel lines, 255 inline fuel pump, aluminum radiator, and electric fans. The car sits on rally wheels with BF Goodrich radial T/S. The paint job is described as a good 10-footer, functional and presentable but not show quality. The car has clean floors, frame, and rockers, making it a solid driver with significant performance upgrades.
Number 19.
The 1972 Oldsmobile Cutless Supreme, listed at a firm $15,000, features a number-matching 455 engine and transmission. The car is described as running and driving well, with a solid metal body that's hard to find in this condition. The seller emphasizes that the price is non-negotiable and is open to meeting serious buyers with cash at a local police station in Chicago. This Cutlass Supreme is a well-preserved classic, making it a desirable find for collectors and enthusiasts.
Number 20.
The 1966 Plymouth Belvedere 2 Base, priced at $15,000 or best offer, is a classic B-body Mopar featuring an original 318 poly engine and 727 transmission. This car runs and drives but requires some work to be fully restored. Recent updates include a new interior, new brakes, and a new fuel system, among other improvements. While there is some rust, it is described as not being severe, and the car remains very solid overall. The sale includes additional parts such as an extra hood, wheels, and tires. The owner is looking to sell due to a lack of time to complete the project. This Belvedere 2 offers a solid foundation for a classic car enthusiast looking for a vintage Mopar with potential. That wraps up our look at these incredible budget classic cars. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share your favorites in the comments. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to stay updated with more classic car finds. Thanks for watching.